Look at this one. What is the net ionic equation for the reaction below? Copper 2 oxide solid plus sulfuric acid, aqueous, goes to copper sulfate, aqueous, plus water. How can I get the net ionic equation? What do I need to have that I can get the net ionic equation? The total ionic equation. If I had the total ionic equation, what would I do to convert it to the net ionic equation? Strip out the spectator ions, throw them out. Okay. So here I have the molecular equation. So how do I go from the molecular equation to the total ionic equation? Separate the ions out so that they're individually charged ions in solution. For any ionic compound that dissolves in a solution, it ionizes. It's an electrolyte, right? Now, copper oxide here is solid. We don't do anything to that because it's not dispersed in solution. So it stays there, CuO, solid. Now, what about H2SO4? Do you know what that is? Sulfuric acid, isn't it? Is that a strong or a weak acid? Strong acid. So in solution, what form will it be in? Dissociated, right? 2H plus, aqueous, plus SO4, 2 minus. Strong acid, by definition, dissociates completely into ions. Okay? Now, copper sulfate aqueous, is that an ionic compound? Yes, it is. So it's soluble ionic compound, it's going to ionize. So we have Cu2 plus, aqueous, plus sulfate ion. And then water. So that's the total ionic equation. I've broken up everything into ions that dissolves and ionizes. So now, what are the spectator ions that I'm supposed to get rid of? Sulfate, here and here. Any others? None. So, the answer is the net ionic equation is copper oxide solid plus 2H plus aqueous goes to Cu2 plus aqueous and water.